In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a footer for your blog or website on System.io. And the same footer you can use for all your funnels, all your landing pages, sales pages on your funnels. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to System.io. If you don't have an account for System.io, I'll leave the link in the description. You can use the link to support me if you want to. So here you come to the top menu and click blogs. On the free plan you can create one blog, and that is one website for free, completely for free, in addition to 3 funnels, I think. So go to blogs and then create one. The domain name will be the subdomain of System.io, and if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade and have your own custom domain like I have here, or subdomain. So I'm going to choose this subdomain, and then I'm going to give it a name, give this website a name. DigiNudge or just DigiNudge. And then choose a template from the templates you are given here, of the options you're given here. So this is the one that is selected. I'm going to save it. And let's click on this website. So the website comes with some posts, pages, and categories. Obviously, you can change anything you want to customize it to your preferences. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to blog layout. What the blog layout does is allows you to amend or change, edit the header menu, footer, and the footer. So we're going to work with a footer here, and you can either work with the footer you have and start deleting what you don't like and replacing graphics, text, and so on and so forth, or you can delete the whole thing. Let's delete these two. And let's go to blocks. And on blocks, you can see that you have some pre-made blocks here. We're going to choose the page footers, and then choose one of the footers that you probably prefer. Let's choose this simple one. If you click on the gear, you'll be able to change the color, the fonts, the margins, and everything in there. To change these, you can even change the column. If you don't like this column, you can delete it and then add rows, columns, so on and so forth. So sometimes you want the menu to be, instead of home, you want privacy, policy, and you want to add a menu item, probably terms of use or terms and conditions. So in this case, you want to, let's say you want to change the order. You do that by clicking on the arrows here. If I do this, the contacts comes first, then privacy policy, and then. So the next thing you want to do is add URL. So if you don't have these pages already on your blog, which probably we don't because it's a new blog, we save changes, go out of this editing blog layout, and we go to pages. Now on pages, the contact is created for us, so you can either create, if you don't have it there, create a contact, or let's say It's a privacy policy. You click create and give it a name, privacy policy, and you copy the name and add it to the path because you don't want it to be the same as the home page. And then create blog page. Well, it doesn't accept capital letters, and it is created. Once it's created, you click on it and drag and drop your privacy policy, drag a text, and add your privacy policy. Make sure it's checked by professional. You do the same for terms and conditions, contacts. That's what we have there. So the contacts is created on this particular one. If you don't have it created, you should create it. Then what you do is copy the link and let's go to blog layout. We go to blog layout and then go to this orange gear, and here you see you can choose a blog link, and it works if you're just on the website. But if you want to add this footer on your landing pages, you have to choose custom URL and paste the URL. You can check open in a new window, and you do the same for privacy policy and terms of conditions or any other footer menu pages. When we check the page and you click on contacts, it takes us to the contact. You go back and then click on privacy policy, it takes us to a different one, and you see it's grayed out. It means that it's this is the page we're on. So if you go back, this is the terms and condition. If you go on contact, you see it's the contacts. So the footer is added on all the pages automatically, but it's not automatically created on your the pages of your funnels. So it's two different things. So it's saved. Let's go out. If you go to funnels, and let's check one of my funnels that is live. So view funnel step. You can see here it's a completely different funnel. Oh, it's completely different footer. So to add the same footer that you have on your website or blog that we just created here, what you're going to do is go back, blogs. We're on blogs. On this page, go to blog layout again, and when you see the footer section, so if you click on this gear, if you click on any of these elements, you can see we're selecting the menu. If you select the row, it selects the row. If you go to the section, it's the whole section. So you have to select the whole section of your footer and go to this save icon. If you save it, if you click save, it prompts you to add a title, and we're going to add, say, main footer, and then create. When you do that, you click anywhere else on the page, and then go to blocks. If you go to blocks and then my blocks, you see it's saved here. So this is really important. Save changes, go out, and now it's saved on System.io. So if you go to your funnels and create, let's create a new one, and let's just build an audience and save. So this is the funnel. Let's choose this one, and if we edit the page, we go all the way down. It has its own footer. It comes with a footer, but we probably don't want that, so we just delete it, and we go to blocks, my blocks, and then click on the one that we just created. Now if you save changes and view this page, this funnel step, you see if you go all the way down, we get this particular footer that we created before. Now if you test them, go to contacts, it takes us to contacts. If we go to privacy policy, it takes us to privacy policy, and terms of use we didn't connect that, so it works. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the below. And if you're not sure how to create a landing page from scratch, I will link the videos in the description for you to watch.